Winter can change your aviation backyard into a whole new aviation experience. On this Aviation Seminar's quick trip, I'm going to take you to the San Diego backcountry and show you a waterfall that only flows after the heavy winter rains. After that, we're going to take the Cirrus up to French Valley and drop it off for its annual maintenance. Hope you enjoy.
Gillespie Tower, Cirrus 128, Papa, holding short 27 right, right downwind departure, and we do have flight following.
Cirrus 128, Papa, Gillespie Tower, right downwind departure approved, runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, 27 right, 8 Papa. Clear left, clear right. Live, 60, 70, 80, rotate, 90, flaps up, I'm out at 100, got dampers on, 1,000 feet, gas available, got my right downwind, crosswind is clear, downwind is clear.
Cirrus 8, Papa, contact SoCal departure.
Going to SoCal, 8 Papa. And SoCal Cirrus 128 Papa, just departing Gillespie, 2,500, initial climb to 3,600.
128 Papa, SoCal approach. Clear to contact a mile north of Gillespie, clear to San Diego Class Bravo.
And 8 Papa, we're going to actually do, if we can, we're going to go east of El Capitan, then proceed direct.
Cirrus 8 Papa, roger that, the altitude is 3002 via frost to your discretion.
3002 via altitude, my discretion, 8 Papa. Alright, so we are proceeding up El Capitan Valley here. Alright, we're coming up on the waterfall. San Diego doesn't normally look like this. So green. You can hike to this from Ramona, but I don't know how you get there from here, or there, here from there.
.500. Terrain, pull up, caution, terrain, terrain.
Climb up.
Cessna 40 Papa, turn right heading 290, vectors on course. 290, 254 Papa. Number 0, Juliet Delta to maintain 5,000.
Descend maintain 5,000, 20 Juliet Delta.
Cessna 40 Papa, comma maintain 6,000.
6,000, 40 Papa.
SoCal Cirrus 128 Papa, we're on course now.
And 128 Papa, roger.
French Valley Airport, automated weather observation 1716 Zulu, weather wind 350 at 15, gust 19, visibility 10, clear below 12,000, temperature 10 Celsius, dew point -9, altimeter 299, 7.
Cirrus 8 Papa Papa, there's no traffic between you and the airport. Radar service is terminated. Squawk 1200 for exchanges approved. So long.
Thanks for the help. Going VFR. Pop pop. French Valley traffic, Cirrus 128 Papa Papa is 8 to the south, inbound, full stop, 36 French Valley.
French Valley Airport, automated weather observation 1721 Zulu, weather, wind 350 at 11, gust 19er, visibility 1.
French Valley traffic, Challenger 300, we're going to be departing runway 36 IFR northbound. I'm aware of the Cirrus inbound, we should be long gone by the time you guys get here, French Valley.
French Valley traffic, Cirrus 128 Papa Papa is entering right base, 36 French Valley. French Valley traffic, Cirrus 128 Papa Papa is on right base for 36 French Valley. French Valley traffic, Cirrus 128 Papa Papa turning final, 36 French Valley. Traffic, Cirrus 128 Papa Papa, clear 36, taxi Griffin, French Valley.